Egan, let's stay back here, buddy.
But otherwise, you're not cool.
Oh, God.
You gotta be cool.
Just stay back and hold the railing.
Yeah, hold on to the railing.
Oh, that one's gonna stop. That's the sound.
Yeah, but that's the Amtrak. It's about to pass right by us. Are we getting a horn show?
I think so.
Look behind you.
Watch out, here comes the Amtrak.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Watch out behind you.
Look behind you! Oh my God! Oh! Oh!
Yo!
Oh! Yo!
That was awesome.
Oh.
Holy Jesus!